Have you ever tried Japanese caramel pudding? This silky, melt-in-your-mouth pudding is incredibly simple, and the caramel reveal is everything. For this Japanese pudding, we need eggs, milk, a little cream, sugar, and vanilla. And for the caramel, just sugar and water. Start with the caramel. Heat sugar and water until it turns a beautiful golden amber. Don't stir aggressively, just gently swirl the pan. Immediately divide the hot caramel between your molds and carefully coat the bottoms. Set them aside while we make the custard. Whisk the eggs and sugar gently until combined. We don't want lots of air bubbles because the goal is an ultra-smooth pudding. Warm the milk and cream until just hot, but don't boil. Slowly add it to the egg mixture while whisking gently. Add vanilla, then strain the custard through a fine sieve. This little step gives Purin that beautifully smooth texture. Pour the custard over the caramel and cook gently until the pudding is just set. Gentle cooking is the secret to a silky texture. Let them cool completely. Then refrigerate until nicely chilled. Patience makes the final texture even better. And now for my favorite part, the reveal! Look at that glossy caramel flowing over the perfectly smooth Japanese pudding.
Silky, creamy, and beautifully caramelized. Japanese Purin is a dessert you absolutely have to try.